Creating a Facebook ad for a service involves effectively communicating the value and benefits of your service to your target audience. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you create a Facebook ad for your service. 1. Access Facebook Ads Manager. Log in to your Facebook account and navigate to Facebook Ads Manager. If you don't have a business account, you can create one to access the Ads Manager. 2. Click on Create to start a new campaign. In Ads Manager, click on the Create button to start a new ad campaign. 3. Choose Campaign Objective. Select the campaign objective that aligns with your goal for the service ad. Common objectives for services include conversions, lead generation, or traffic if you want to drive users to your service page. 4. Configure Ad Set. In the Ad Set level, configure the following. Audience. Define your target audience based on demographics, interests, and behaviors. Consider targeting users who are likely to be interested in your specific service. Placements. Choose where your ad will appear. Consider using automatic placements to reach users on Facebook, Instagram, Audience Network, and Messenger. 5. Set budget and schedule. Define your budget and schedule for the ad campaign. Decide whether you want to set a daily budget or a lifetime budget. Set the duration of the campaign based on your marketing goals. 6. Create ad creative. Design visually appealing and engaging ad creative that effectively communicates your service. Consider including the following elements. Ad copy. Write compelling ad copy that describes the key benefits and features of your service. Clearly communicate the value proposition and include a clear call to action, e.g., learn more. Visuals or graphics. Use relevant images, graphics, or even short videos that represent your service. Visuals should be eye-catching and align with the nature of your service. 7. Highlight unique selling points. Emphasize the unique selling points of your service. Clearly communicate what sets your service apart and why users should choose it over alternatives. 8. Include a clear call to action, CTA. Include a relevant CTA button on your ad, such as Learn More, Sign Up, or Get Started. The CTA guides users on the next steps they should take to engage with your service. 9. Utilize the Learn More feature. If you're providing detailed information about your service, use the Learn More feature to link directly to a landing page or more in-depth information about your service. 10. Implement A/B testing. Test different ad creatives, headlines, ad copy variations, and CTA buttons to identify what resonates best with your audience. A/B testing helps you refine your approach based on performance data. 11. Preview your ad. Use the preview feature to see how your ad will appear on different devices. Ensure that your service is showcased effectively and that the ad looks compelling on both desktop and mobile. 12. Review and confirm. Review all the details of your ad, including targeting, budget, and creative elements. Once you're satisfied, click on Confirm to launch your ad campaign. 13. Monitor performance. Regularly check the performance of your ad in Facebook Ads Manager. Monitor metrics such as impressions, clicks, conversions, and return on ad spend, ROAS. Use the data to make adjustments as needed. 14. Engage with users. Respond to comments and messages on your ad. Engage with users who show interest or ask questions about your service. Building a positive interaction can enhance the success of your service ad. 15. Utilize testimonials or reviews. If you have positive testimonials or reviews about your service, consider incorporating them into your ad. Social proof can build credibility and trust. 16. Create urgency or offers. Encourage a sense of urgency or include special offers to entice users to take action. Limited time promotions or exclusive deals can drive conversions. 17. Retarget interested users. Create custom audiences based on users who engaged with your service ad. Retarget this audience with follow-up ads, additional information, or reminders. 18. Use carousel ads. Carousel ads allow you to showcase multiple aspects or features of your service within a single ad. Use this format to provide a comprehensive overview of what your service offers. 19. Include educational content. If your service requires some level of understanding, consider including educational content in your ad. This can help users better grasp the benefits and functionalities of your service. 20. Coordinate with landing pages. Ensure that the information on your Facebook ad aligns with the details on your service landing page. Consistency across platforms enhances the user experience and builds trust. By following these steps, you can create an effective Facebook ad campaign to promote your service and attract a relevant and engaged audience. Regularly monitor performance metrics and make adjustments to optimize your campaign for better results. So that's it. See you in the next videos.